Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we have a 2012 Chevy Cruze, and the problem with this car today is the customer came and he said he had some messages on the dashboard. So that's the hood open. So this is the one we have. It's pretty cool that this car has changed timing bell, so it tells you that you have to look at the owner's menu. So I looked in the menu and I couldn't find any data how to reset the light. So I was doing a lot of research on the website and I found that if you remove this fuse panel, which is for the fuses, you have to remove the fuse 21, which is for instrument cluster. You have to remove the fuse for 2 minutes and the light is gonna be gone. It's 21. 2012 Chevy Cruze. So we changed the timing bell for this car already. We changed it. So there's videos on YouTube how to change it, but I couldn't find anyone who says how to reset the light. So I'm gonna pull the fuse for 2 minutes and I'll come back. Okay guys, so 2 minutes have passed. We're gonna now put the fuse back. Remember, it's the fuse 21 and you have to do this without disconnecting the battery. So we're gonna put the fuse back and then you can go and check if the message is gone. Checking, hood open, and voila, the message is gone. So this is how you reset the timing warning light on a 2012 Chevy Cruze. And I think it's the same from 2010 and up. So here it is. Thanks for watching.